So here we have a 24-inch Insignia dishwasher that we're installing. We've got the power disconnected. We're in the process of hooking up the water supply. We had no idea where it was. The kick plate was on there and it was hiding up in here, so we had to remove the kick plate. You'll need an elbow, 90-degree elbow, to fit this, to get the water supply connected.
See it?
What was that stuff called?
Thread sealant.
We didn't have any Teflon tape.
Brown out. Or Normand.
So this is the junction box where we're putting in the wiring.
There's your connections. Okay.
Now with these instructions, you're going to want to be mindful of all the things that you'll need, because they do not come included. For electrical connections, for hooking up your water.
Holy, this is really
okay, we're putting the clamp.
It's a really big clamp.
On the
Sorry
hose?
for the oversized clamp.
Okay. We're fastening it on, we're tightening it. We fed the power through here, and this is where we're going to drill a hole so that our water line can connect to dishwasher.